Let's talk about birds. Birds are animals with wings, feathers, and a beak. Most birds can fly. They flap their wings to move through the air. Birds have feathers. Feathers keep them warm and help them fly. A bird's mouth is called a beak. Birds use their beaks to pick up food and eat. Birds lay eggs. The mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Baby birds hatch from eggs. At first, they are small and cannot fly. Birds eat seeds, insects, fish, or fruit. Different birds eat different things. Many birds sing. Each type of bird has its own song. Sparrows and crows are very common. You can see them in parks and on city streets. Some birds migrate. They fly to warmer places in winter and return in spring. Swallows come to Japan in spring. They build small nests under the roofs of houses. Pigeons are common in cities. They walk slowly on the ground and look for food. Ducks live near rivers, ponds, and lakes. They swim and search the water to find food. Birds are everywhere. You can find them in forests, fields, cities, and along the sea.